Hey everybody, it's Rebecca from Safewise. I got the new back to school pack from Bark. Let's see what's inside. Oh, hi Rebecca. Here's to a happy, healthy, and safe back to school season. Oh, and look, they have this cute Bark tissue paper. Cute little lunch bag. It got again the Bark logo on it, super cute. Okay, we got some a coloring page that has good digital habits featured on it. This would be a fun activity to do with your kids.
Is that a shredder?
It is a shredder.
I am obsessed with shredder.
Oh, the other side is a back to school healthy habits checklist. I love that. Ease back into bedtime, getting on a good schedule, make healthy snacks a priority, create a tech contract. This is something that I've always recommended. Have like an online digital citizenship type contract with your kids, and the grown-ups in the house have to follow it too, because the best way to instill good online habits with your kids is to model them yourself. We got colored pencils to go with our coloring page, so a bookmark to remind us about online safety things like sharenting. That means don't post every picture of your kid online, and especially with back to school, do not have a sign with their name on it, their teacher's name, their school's name, and their grade. That just tells bad guys where your kids are. You'll hear more from us on that one. A little postcard, and it looks like I got a device. Bark makes awesome kids phones and parental control software. Is this a charger? I think it's a charger. All right, that's so cool. Thank you, Bark, for sending this out and giving us an easy way to remind people how to start the school year safely.